All right, peace. So we're gonna make just a homemade car cleaning material. So I'm just gonna go old school. I don't like to use chemicals in the car. So we're gonna use good old vinegar. It's amazing how many things you can do with vinegar, especially cleaning around the house. The COVID lockdown has taught me many things about cleaning using vinegar and vinegar solutions. So vinegar, we're gonna get some regular water. If you're drinking water, hard water, whatever it may be. Also a lemon. We're gonna use, I like lavender or some type of essential oil that you like the smell of, and measuring cup. Now for the measurement, it's gonna be very simple. For the water and vinegar, it's just gonna be 1 to 1. So if it's gonna be 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup of the water. And this would just be the smell test. You could add as like 10, 15 drops here, 10, 15 drops here, whichever one you would like to smell the most. Or of course, pour it in, and then however it smells, you go about use it. And of course, you're going to be putting it into your spray bottle. And now we're going into our 1 cup of vinegar. Once again, as I said, vinegar is really powerful. It's great. There's many different things you can use for vinegar: cooking, food, cleaning. It is the wonder solution. So there we go, putting our 1 cup of vinegar. Now here comes, I said, essential oil. It's up to you which one do you think is better. I mean, you don't want people, if you're gonna be cleaning your cars, you don't want people to have a smell that makes them want to go to sleep. So they're behind the wheel, but at the same time, you want something that is going to be pleasant. I love lavender. I'm hoping most people love lavender as well. So should be enough. They say 10 to 15 drops. It does depend on the concentration, but once again, hey, it's up to you, and it's up for your smell test. There you go. And now our lemon. Lemon, once again, is also a great cleaning solution. You don't have to go about and get lemon juice or anything. Just go and get a lemon, cut it in half, and going about and put it in here. Seeds as well. Hey, more the merrier. But then again, of course, you don't want the seeds maybe to go in there because it may clog up the actual spout. But hey, I'm a cowboy. Let's get it. And get it. Check it out. And you have yourself a nice little solution to clean your car, or actually other services in your house as well. But once again, we're talking about car cleaning. There you go.